You know who's in New York City last couple of days? Sarah Palin from Alaska.
Ah.
Yeah, she's here. You know those sightseeing helicopters? You can take a ride around Manhattan. So she got in one of those, and she was up there shooting rats. There's one over there. But she had a lot of fun. She visited stuff. She went to a Yankee Stadium with Rudy Giuliani.
Oh, yeah.
And they had seats in the far, far right field.
Yeah.
And they had a wonderful time. The toughest part of her visit was keeping Elliot Spitzer away from her daughter. That was the hard part. That was.